For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Senior Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut's statement on doctors has not gone down well with Doctors' Union. An association of doctors objected to Raut's comments on physicians. The Indian Medical Association has written to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over Sanjay Raut's statements. In a letter to the Chief Minister, the Indian Medical Association has said that it is against politicians like Sanjay Raut who insult medical professionals. IMA demanded Sanjay Raut's resignation for making insulting statements against healthcare workers. As you are aware, the whole world is trying to win the war against coronavirus in this pandemic. The healthcare workers are working at great risk, not only to themselves personally, but also risking their dependents, their spouse, children, and aged senior citizens and parents. At this time, we would look up to the government and politicians to stand with these frontline workers. Sir, we are aghast that a senior politician like Sanjay Raut would say compounders know more than doctors. We condemn this behavior and ask for his resignation. The IMA said doctors were demoralized after Sanjay Raut's statement and urged Chief Minister Thackeray to take stern action. They have demanded that Raut should take back his words and tender an apology to the medical fraternity. The Association of Doctors said they would take to the streets if Raut does not apologize. The Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors also wrote to Uddhav Thackeray in this regard. The MARD asked Chief Minister Thackeray if he shared Raut's opinion on doctors. Meanwhile, former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis took a jibe at Sanjay Raut. Fadnavis said it was inappropriate to make such statements against doctors, especially during the pandemic situation.
I don't know in what sense he had made that statement, but I feel that giving such statement is not proper amidst the COVID scenario. Our doctors are working really hard. They are putting their lives into danger and working day and night for us. This statement has hurt their feelings.
During an interview, Sanjay Raut had said, compounders are better than doctors. Sanjay Raut said, doctors don't know anything. He also said the World Health Organization is useless and held the World Health Front responsible for the pandemic situation.
Doctors do not know anything. Compounders are better. I always take medicine from a compounder, never from a doctor. WHO is a useless organization. Because of WHO, the COVID-19 pandemic happened.
Recently, Sanjay Raut has been at the center of controversy over several statements. Sanjay Raut came under fire for his comments in relation with late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Raut also slammed PM Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Sanjay Raut said Russia is practicing Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, but India is only preaching it.